To perform a curve planar reconstruction, click the Start CPR button on the toolbar of the 3D module. Then left-click on two or more points within an MPR plane to draw a spline that defines the plane to be straightened. To modify the spline, click on any of the points and drag them to the desired position. Once the spline is correctly drawn, press the Enter key. This will add two panels to the MPR viewport, one displaying the straightened curved plane and another showing the axial view centered on the spline. Basic operations, such as window leveling, zooming, panning, and scrolling, can be performed as usual. Window level adjustments will be synchronized across all panels. If further adjustments are needed, click on any spline point to drag it to the new position. The spline will turn orange to indicate that updates are being made. Once the adjustments are complete, press the Enter key to confirm and update the CPR views. Click the Start CPR button again to close the Curve Planar Reconstruction.